Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can create and use epics in Jira software. So let's start. This video is going to be really simple, and after finishing you will know what you have to do. First thing that you want to click on create here, and you can see issue tab here in your project. Now you have option to choose between task, bug and epic. Maybe you will have more options here. What maybe also appear here is not just the summary here, but also the name. I don't have it right now, but maybe you have to also create the name of the epic. So I will create summary here and description. You can just edit whatever. Then you're gonna see assignee. Then you get like labels here that I can add. Start date, due date, and issue color. Then I gotta see my name and everything. Okay. You can also flag it. Now when you got it, let's click create. And now I got issue type, YouTube 8, epic problem, right? And what can I do now is when I'm in backlog or whatever, I can simply click here on add epic, and I gotta see it here, epic problem, right? And voila, I got an epic on here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And that's pretty much it. This is how you do it, guys. So yeah. Thank you very much and goodbye. I'll just look on something here.